So they have two concrete trucks down on the right and a concrete pump crane in the front here. The sun is reflecting off the racetrack setup for the F1 Grand Prix. They left the 3 satellite units. Rebar in the back is going up. Rebar right there for an elevator shaft, probably. And then all the way on the west side of the property, I thought they were going to save the palm trees, the royal palms, but then this morning they're ripping them out with an excavator and a bulldozer. They have a billboard with a sign back here. Thank you to the Mirage team members and Las Vegas community for 34 memorable years.